What?
I got it going.
You gotta quit mumbling, baby. You know what I mean? So I can hear what you're saying.
I said you on air.
I'm on air. Look at that, it's already stuck really good. I'm gonna flip it upside down and tack that one. Toasty. Ain't gonna be the same enough. Alright. That's tacked together. I got my tools back. That's what I need. Alright. I think some tacks will keep it together until I go farther, don't you think? I mean, tacks are just as good as any of my welds. I don't think I need to leave this here. Not really fully awake here yet. You know? Okay, I gotta do a lot of slicing now. Probably gonna need those. Got my marker out here somewhere. These have to be cut shorter. If this ladder is the same all the way through, which it was built by bunk bed people, you'd think it would be, right? I should be able to lay these on top just to get a rough estimate where I need to cut them off. And that's going to be real fun with one hand, isn't it? I'm going to leave. No, I can't leave anything. Right there, I think. A whole lot of I thinks already, isn't there? Well, I mean, literally, I'm kind of guessing. So, all right, where to put stuff? This is gonna get hectic. All right, go ahead and cut this, I guess. We have a bunch of cutting. Yay. Wrong side. I probably should have switched my blades. Hope you can even weld this. I don't even know if you can weld this stuff. Oh yeah, these are lawnmower handles. I didn't even say that, did I?
You ain't really said anything.
Yeah, I know. Kind of thinking. I wasn't even really ready to even do this yet. Nope, that's upside down. I'm gonna just get a new blade, so I ain't gotta. Okay? Ain't really said anything yet. You want to trade my place? Well, alright. You can be the one that talks and does all the work, and I'll sit there and hide behind that thing. That's easy. I ain't woke up or anything yet, so kind of started a little early on this. Alright, I X'd that one out, so I guess that means I did that purposely. That was awful short, don't it? You notice that? Don't that look like 16 inches to you? Yeah, it's actually 16 inches. It don't look like it. Which is odd. Normally I would say that's 2 foot long. You know it. Alright, I'm going to stick these back together. I had to shorten them down. The width. Lawnmower handles are wider than that. So. And my welder's really skinny. What did I say that welder was? It's really small. Guess I need to cut that in half. I'm going to need that. I'm going to sleeve it back together and weld it. Excuse me. Halt. It's a little halt. Alright, this ain't gonna be in the middle because I didn't like overlap them, and then, you know what I'm saying? Oh, come on, baby, fit. I'm gonna try to half and half them. You know what I mean? If I can. Man, it fits really good. Ooh, smacked myself in the balls with that. You see that? Oh. However tough you think you are, you can't take a ball smack. Alright, I'll beat the shit out of it, mess it up if I do that. Come on, baby. It's not wanting to. Maybe I ought to clean some paint and shit off of them. Yeah, I'm a long ways away from where I'm supposed to be. Yep, that's not going to be centered now. You know what I mean? Come back apart. See how it's scraping really good? It don't like that paint, does it? Man, I'll never get that bag off. Well, should have probably thought that one out a little better. Struggling, babe. I'm already struggling. Oh, there we go. I just really want to wash my balls. Okay. Maybe I'll clean it up. Maybe that'll help. That's not what a cutoff wheel's for, by the way. And you see, I almost made a boo-boo there. Mamma mia, what's going on here? I think I almost got it that time, though. This is where people would cut. Oh, there we go. I mean, what do you expect? Everything I'm messing with is old as hell, isn't it? Mm-hmm. It's junk. That's why I'm taking it and turning it into something else. if you do this stuff, please be safer than me. You know it?
Yeah.
Because I don't feel safe most of the time. See that? Back together. And it's, like I said, it ain't centered. I got my little wheel areas tacked on. They're not welded up yet. Okay, they're going to be in the back. It still acts a little wide. Think it ain't in there enough yet? Let's beat on it. I might have measured it wrong. She ain't moving. So I might have measured that wrong. You think? Yeah, see, that needs to, I could squeeze it in there, but I don't really want to.
Check your other end of it and see how it.
What, this side?
Yeah.
Well, it's hard to tell that way, but it does look like it's a little big, doesn't it? Well, it's a shame I can't get the longer end out, so it'd be more halved. I wonder if I can. Ugh. Macho Man Randy Savage will, won't he? Uh-oh, talk shit. No, it ain't gonna come out. Oh, I got it. Oh. Now I'm awake, okay? Now I have awoken the beast. I hear this strain a few times. I want to guess that was about 3/8. You know what I mean? About 3/8 off. Now, they'll probably want me to clean it more, and that's not going to happen. Alright, bottomed out again already. What? It still says it's too long. And it says this side might be a little longer too than that one. One more damn time, I guess. It's the only way you get everything right, though, isn't it? To do it over and over again. I'll take another 3/8 off. Or a 1/2 inch. I think that was a 1/2 inch. Boy, that's crooked cut. That was sweet. I might not have done any good just because how crooked cut that was. Change a little. I want it more than that. Got me a Charlie horse trying to form in my back here. You know what? It's kind of embarrassing. Has it ever happened to you? It happened to me. I'm so good with that thing though, Liz. I could build you a ring, Dave. You know what? Talking shit like that, I'll go in the house later tonight like this. Why ain't it changing?
Are you get it in that bottom
Is
out?
it stuck? Is it not moving in here, you think? Watch it be like really short. I think it's good enough. Yeah, by the time you push it, you barely have to move it now. You know what I mean? I think I need to. How do you tell what's straight on these things? Like, you know what I mean? Like, how can you tell? I need to like grind those down a little bit. See, I thought about dropping this down here a little bit so that welder, when you tilt this thing back, it has something to hit so it can't just fall the hell off.
It looks like it'd be smart.
You think so? Are you calling me smart? I could put it in the center, you know what I mean? Like in the between those. How tall would that be? Hell, that'd be perfect, wouldn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this thing's all kinds of crooked and shit. Oh well, I'm gonna clean it up and I'm gonna tack weld it on there. I mean, I can always cut it off if I don't like it. If I was smart, I would waller those out to be to this shape. But in all honesty, don't you need somewhere for your weld to go? You know what I mean? It's gonna burn up more weld wire, but does that even matter? Alright, I'm gonna actually measure something, which I don't know if it'll even make it any better because my tape measure skills bar to none. 31. I'm gonna call that good. 31 over here. Stay. Feel sorry for carpenters. You know what?
Yeah.
Tape measures are a pain in the ass. Alright. They look the same? Sure. Yep. Does he know what he's doing? Nope. Will it work? Maybe. It'll work for what I want. A cheap Chinese welder to go on it. It'll be fine. Right, honey?
Sure.
Come on, man. You gotta agree with me. Nobody else is going to.
It'll probably work.
Thank you. Now, I'm not gonna dare weld that part up until I get it where I want it on this thing. Wouldn't you? It's gonna be fine. For real though, it's gonna be freaking fine. How many times will it take me? How many times will my weld break? How many times will I just want to go in the house? Cuss. Freak out. Great, I can't turn my welder. I didn't do nothing. Okay, maybe try having it on. I don't think I need safety glasses under there. Ow. Don't need that hair anyway, right? Just pulled some of it out. Alright. So where do I want this thing? I'm a right-hander, so probably like that. Does it even matter? Gotta figure out the tiny, stupid stuff right now, you know? No, am I melting through? Can't tell what the hell happened there. Maybe it's dirty still? That welder didn't even do anything, did it? I was worried that'd be a problem. This metal, it's pretty darn thin. I kind of need to like figure out a better way to do this, don't I? You know what I mean? The way I'm going about it is like hard. That's all I know. A little Mountain Dew maybe. I've just got so much room though. It's like, why do I got these out here? Help me understand. What's the odds that this will actually work? You know what I mean? Because this pipe does not like welding. I wonder if I should like try to get more innovative here. Usually Mother would be telling me what to do. You're being quiet this time. Oh, come on. Well, it does not like that. Whatever that is, I don't know if it powder coat maybe? She's barely stuck there. I don't want to even breathe on it right now. You know what I mean? Babe, this could take forever. I should have made me some sleeves. Slide over this to weld to that. And then weld the sleeves to that. Because this metal, it melts so easy. You know what? I'm going to make it work. It don't matter. Oh, man. Yeah. Can you see that?
A little bit.
Huh?
A little bit.
Burn a hole through it. Like that easy. The weld don't want to stick to it, and then it'll burn a hole through it. Lawnmower handlebars, whatever the hell they are, they don't like it. I can probably still fix that. You know, it's going to take a lot of welding wire, but I'm going to try. Yeah, you can quit zooming in on that ugly shit now, okay? I'm going to have to go slow. Wow. I ain't got no other kind of pipe around here, do I? Look at that. It's burning holes in it like left and right. I need to find something to slide over the ends of that. Yeah, I don't trust that for 1 second. Huh. This was a failure right here. Lawnmower handlebars, not such good metal. And that is not straight anyway. Can't tell what's going on here.
It's not that crooked.
Huh? It's pretty damn crooked. I mean, let's see what measuring tape says. Woo, it's hot. I don't know that much.
It says it's 200 degrees.
Right there says it's straight. I don't know. You think I can manage to pull this off? That pup does not like this. I mean, I could keep trying. Keep trying, keep trying. I mean, it's what you're supposed to do, but I don't know, man.
What if you made like some little flat plates to like put on the outside, like?
On what? You still have to weld it to it. It ain't gonna take weld.
But if it wasn't the edge of it, would it be
Like I
stronger?
said, you see how I slid this pipe over this?
Yeah.
I need some more of this. This stuff welds good. I know it does. I need some more of those to slide over these to weld to that. Because I think you can tack this shit together on around it. Then I think it'll maybe be okay. But that thin pipe on the edge of it, it just burns through it. Like it's like a beer can. I don't know how to explain it. It's garbage. It's freaking garbage. I kind of want this thing to be half-ass straight. You know what I mean? I mean, I know it wouldn't go with nothing else that I own, but I don't know. But I'm at a loss a little bit here. Where the hell? Right in the face, man. Boards like that. Boards. Pretty damn close to the same. The paint ain't even clean there, you know? Could like maybe tack on that side of it. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should start searching for more metal. You know what I mean? Because this is like, I don't think this is going to work. It's one of those things, baby. Nothing's been working out too good for me lately, has it? I kept welding over and over again a little bit at a time, and it actually worked, I think. So I'm gonna tack that. I don't know, maybe I can save it still. Maybe I'm welding too fast. Oh, come on, man. I literally...
From here it looks like paint.
Huh?
From here.
It is paint. It's all kinds of shit. What can I say? Oh, come on, baby. There's one bod spot here. You can't see it back there. You know what I mean? Nobody can see it but me. So. Son of a bitch. It's an awkward rig, I can tell you that much. How straight does it look? You gotta stand way back here. It's not straight. Does it even matter? I don't want to bend that weld. That weld will break in like really easy. You know what I mean? It'll still do what I want it to. Is that what matters? Huh?
Yeah.
Give me some feedback, damn it. Hey, it probably almost hold that piece of junk right now. It's crooked.
Well, it ain't that crooked.
Yeah, don't zoom in on too much though, Because it's not good.
It's a bit crooked.
It's a bit crooked. That's the sweet way of saying it. You think I should try to straighten it? I have to break that weld back off. You know what I mean? Damn it, it's strong too. That sucks. I wonder if a person can hold it down a little bit and weld on that side.
Tweak it.
Yeah. Think you can? Tell me if it looks any straighter if I do that.
It makes the front look straighter. I guess it's where you attached it.
The front's what matters. That's all you can really see. Does it?
Yeah.
Are you lying to me? You gotta tell me the truth, man.
It makes the front of it look straighter. You just have to not look at the back.
No one give me a good answer. I think I'd be used to that shit by now, but I'm not.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. Now it's kind of on there, so if it's crooked now, it's crooked. Hey man, that kind of straightened it up. It's not like perfect, but I can live with that. Come back here and live now. I can live with that.
Yeah.
Can't you? I mean, it's mine, so it ain't yours. You're gonna live with it no matter what, so it don't really matter, right?
Don't bother me.
I don't know what else to say. I mean, look, it's bending the actual ladder. I'm gonna... Yeah, there's nothing right about it. It's hanging out over here. I got a big place to throw weld over here. Okay, maybe lawnmower parts ain't worth a shit. Now that part is good. The deck, you can slice them all to pieces. Do whatever you want with them. But this stuff is not worth a piss. You know what? I'm still gonna live with it. I mean, it's there, so why wouldn't I? 10-4?
Yes.
Well, those are tacked. I wonder if I can get more weld over on this side. Yeah, I'm gonna live with it. I mean, it was garbage in my yard. It'll work for something. Come on, baby. I've learned this shit after I burned a hole through that side. That brush. She's dirty. But you know what? Laziness, you know? It's gonna be fine. You gotta calm down. It's gonna be fine. That's your job. You're supposed to tell me it's gonna be fine.
It's fine.
I mean, come on. You're my wife, dude. Well, say, calm down, honey. It's fine. I'll tell you what. That sucker's on there. I mean,
It looks Looks on there.
Huh?
It looks like it's on there.
It is on there. Looks are not deceiving on this one. Let's see if I can't weld a little bit more over that one. Yeah. Come on. Man, I've really figured it out. You gotta go really freaking fast. You can't stay on this metal very long. You get what I'm saying? What's so funny? I figured it out after I burned it, man. It looked like shit. Yay. Oh well. I will live with it because I have no choice. When I paint it, you won't even know. Alright? I will fill up those holes because I can. Oh yeah, it's on there. I might as well tack those on better, probably, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's even a little straighter for some reason. Maybe the heat kind of fixed it a little. At least my yard ain't flammable.
Yeah, it don't
Right.
look very flammable.
Fall's coming fast. Well, fall's coming. It is fall. I guess you could say winter's coming fast now, right? Mm-hmm. Thinking about putting no wheels on it. Just see what it's gonna look like. But
Make it mobile.
yeah, probably better. Yeah, no shit. I get the weld on top and bottom at least. If it can't break now, sure the hell ain't gonna break later, is it? Right? I don't remember welding on this side, but it says I did. Wow. Yeah, it's like done car body, you know? Like some sheet metal. You gotta be really, really gentle with that. You cannot stay on it very long. I'll tell you what, this contraption is kind of a pain in the ass. Oh, hell yes. Yeah, that worked just fine. What was I freaking out for? I just needed more Mountain Dew. You know? I'm gonna find some kind of like little piece of metal probably. Maybe nail, I don't know, maybe some nails. And I'm gonna cap all that shit in, make it look better than that. But I guess I'll Hammy. Are you hops? Just a little. That worked really good. I would have cleaned it. Why didn't you tell me to clean this? I did clean it a little bit. Not enough. Poppity pop. She's on there. She ain't coming off. So what should I do? Should I just go to the next one? Or should I put the wheels on it? You know it ain't gonna stand up yet. Is it?
Nope.
How long have we been doing this?
At 41.
Already? It takes a long time already. I can't believe it took that long just to add this bar on here. Son of a bitch, man. I don't know what to say. That's like really fast. 41 minutes. Where the hell did that go? I don't even feel like I've done anything. Because I really haven't, right? Okay, what's... Oh, nasty wheels. At least I've got spares. Since the lawnmower has 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right now it's a regular dolly with the thing on the wrong part of it. Isn't it?
Yep.
You know what I mean though? Because the dolly has that part down here.
Mm-hmm.
But it'll have one down here too. It'll have legs on it. 41 minutes. I can't believe that. Like, it's doing. I don't know, man. I don't even know where that went. Those guys that make 41-minute videos, they have it made, don't they? Like, I don't even feel like I've done anything. Like, didn't I just start?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna need a socket for that one. Well, get the gist, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's loose. No, but really, it'll have another one of these down here. And it'll have little legs on it, so it cannot fall over. And the legs will actually, you know, stop from rolling. And my welder is going to fit right on top of here. And then if I have to, I'll figure out a way to keep from falling the hell off. Wish I'd had some angle iron. I'd have made me a, you know what I mean? Good area for that. It don't look that crooked. I don't know. Maybe I was wrong. It really does not look that bad. I'll tell you what. We can get rid of that video and then get it off that phone and I'll finish it. I'll try to. You know what I mean? You can't do this in 45 minutes. And that phone will shut us down and we won't be able to do nothing. You want to do that? Huh?
Have us part 2?
Huh? This is. Uh-oh. She's a free roller.
It's mobile.
Yeah, I guess. Go and buy. Pause it.